Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lecture is about functional anatomy, organization or neural circuit of cerebellum. Cerebellum is made up of outer gray matter যাকে আমরা cerebellar cortex বলি এবং inner white matter which is known as medulla. In case of cerebellar cortex is actually a large folded sheet which is about 17 cm wide and 120 cm in long, which is the fold lying crosswise. Each fold is called folium. Within the white matter, the deep beneath the folded mass is a gray masses which is called cerebellar nuclei. And white matter is formed by afferent and efferent nerve fiber. This is the figure: folium, gray matter and white matter. Gray matter or cerebellar cortex is made up of a structure arranged in 3 layers. These layers are outer molecular or plexiform layer, intermediate Purkinje cell layer and inner granular layer. At first, outer molecular layer, which have this layer have 2 strata. Superficial stratum contain star-shaped cell which is called stellate cell, and deep stratum contain basket cell. In addition to stellate cell and basket cell, molecular cell also contain the following structure. These are parallel fibers, which are axon of granule cells present in granular layer, and secondly, terminal portion of climbing fibers, thirdly, dendrites of Purkinje and Golgi cells. এখানে কি কানেকশন থাকে মলিকুলার লেয়ারে dendrites of stellate cell and basket cell synapse with parallel fiber which are the axons of granule cells. Secondly, axons of stellate cell ends on dendrites of Purkinje cell, and axons of basket cell descend downwards to Purkinje layer and form transverse layer which ends the soma of Purkinje cell. Thirdly, dendrites of Purkinje cell synapse with climbing fiber and parallel fiber. Fourthly, dendrites of Golgi cells situated in the inner granular layer enter the molecular layer and ends on parallel fibers. Then, secondly, intermediate Purkinje cell layer. This is the thinnest layer which have single layer of Purkinje cell which is flux in shape. This is the largest neuron in body which is 25 micrometer. Dendrites of this cell ascend through the entire thickness of molecular layer and arborize there. This dendrite terminate either climbing fiber or parallel fiber. Purkinje cells হচ্ছে সেন্ট্রাল নিউরন, যেটার মেইন নিউরোট্রান্সমিটার হচ্ছে গামা অ্যামাইনো বিউটারিক অ্যাসিড। এখানে লার্জ ডেনড্রাইটিক ট্রি থাকে, লার্জ সেল বডি থাকে এবং অ্যাক্সন থাকে। ডেনড্রাইটিক ট্রিটা ব্রাঞ্চড হয়ে যায়, ব্রাঞ্চড ইন one plane and have dendritic spike at the site of synapse. Our axon form the efferent pathway from the cerebellum and sends collateral to the granular cell layer. Axons of basket cell form transverse fiber which descend down and ends soma of Purkinje cell, and axons of Purkinje cell descend করবে white matter and terminate করবে cerebellar nuclei and vestibular nuclei via cerebrovestibular tract. Okay, Purkinje cells কে আমরা final common path বলে থাকি কারণ the impulse from different part of cerebellar cortex are transmitted to other part of brain only through this Purkinje cells. This is the layers figure. Then inner granular layer which is the innermost layer of cerebellar gray matter. Okay, it is formed by interneuron যাকে আমরা granules and Golgi cell বলে থাকি. This is about 3 to 7 millions per cubic millimeter, which is about half the number of all neuron in whole nervous system. Granule cells are very small, 7 micrometer, closely packed neuron and heterochromatic nuclei and scanty cytoplasm থাকে. Axons of granule cell ascends to molecular layer, একদম উপরে প্রথম দিকে যায় এবং সেখানে split in T-shaped manner to form parallel fibers which synapse with the dendrites of Purkinje cell, stellate cell, basket cell and Golgi cell. Parallel fiber run longitudinally along the folia cross dendrites of many Purkinje cells and have the glutamate as neurotransmitter. Small dendritic tree in granule layer, dendrites of granule cells and axons and few dendrites of Golgi cells synapse with the Moshi fiber. This synaptic area of these cells is called glomerulus, which is encapsulated by the process of glial cell. This is the figure where we see that various cells and fibers. Cerebral cortex কিছু এফারেন্ট ফাইবার আছে, সে রিসিভ করে বিভিন্ন এফারেন্ট ফাইবার, সেগুলো দুই ধরনের হয়, টু টাইপস, ক্লাইম্বিং ফাইবার যেটা এন্ড হবে মলিকুলার লেয়ারে, মোশি ফাইবার এন্ড হবে গ্র্যানুলার লেয়ারে। At first, climbing fiber, which arises from neurons of inferior olivary nucleus situated in medulla, reaches the cerebellum via olivocerebellar tract. Inferior olivary nucleus relay the output signal from motor area of cerebral cortex and proprioceptive signals from different part of body to the cerebellar cortex via climbing fiber. Proprioceptive impulse from different part of body reaches the inferior olivary nucleus through the spinal cord and vestibular system. After reaching the cerebellum, climbing fiber ascend to molecular layer and terminate কোথায়? Dendrites of Purkinje cells. While passing through the cerebellum, climbing fiber of olivocerebellar tract sends collateral to the cerebellar nuclei. Okay, so the impulse from cerebral cortex and proprioceptor of the body are conveyed not only the cerebellar cortex but also the cerebellar nuclei through the climbing fibers. The climbing fiber are the terminal fibers of olivocerebellar tract and make many synaptic connection with one Purkinje cells. So it is powerful and sharply localized. After sending branches to several deep nuclear cells, the climbing fiber continue all the way to the outer layer of cerebral cortex, where it makes about 300 synapses with soma and dendrites of each Purkinje cells. Moshi fibers, unlike the climbing fibers, Moshi fibers have many sources of origin, namely motor area of cerebral cortex, pons, medulla, and spinal cord. Fiber arising from all this area sends collateral to the cerebellar nuclei before reaching the cerebellar cortex. So, like the climbing fiber, Moshi fiber also convey afferent impulse to both cerebral nuclei and cerebral cortex. Some of the Moshi fiber arises from cerebellar nuclei. Moshi fiber reaches the granular layer of cerebral cortex, divide into many terminals and synapse with hundreds to thousands of granule cells. Okay, the granule cells sends extremely small axon which is less than 1 micrometer in diameter up to the molecular layer on the outer surface of cerebellar cortex. Here, the axon divide into two branches that extend 1 to 2 millimeter in each direction parallel to the folia. So, there are many millions of parallel fibers because there are some 500 to 1000 granule cells for every one Purkinje cells. It is into this molecular layer that the dendrites of the Purkinje cells project, and 80,000 to 2 lakh of parallel fibers synapse with each Purkinje cell. Each terminal enter a specialized structure called glomerulus, ends in a large expanded structure that form the central portion of glomerulus. Dendrites of granule cells, axon and dendrites of Golgi cells synapse on the Moshi fiber gives a thick pasky appearance. So the word Moshi refers to the appearance of plant which is called mosh, which grow into dense clump. Hence the fiber is called Moshi fiber. Okay. The Moshi fiber input to Purkinje cell is quite different from the Climby fiber import because synaptic connections are weak. So, large number of Moshi fiber must be stimulated simultaneously to excite the Purkinje cells. Okay. Then white matter or medulla, which is composed by incoming or outgoing fibers, which projecting to and from the cerebellar cortex, which also have the cerebellar nuclei. From lateral to medial, we can say the fastigial nuclei, globose nuclei, emboliform nucleus, dentate nuclei. This is the figure. Then another figure. White matter also have afferent and efferent nerve fiber, which is classified into three groups: association fiber, commissural fiber, and projection fiber. Association fiber connect different regions of same cerebellar hemisphere. Commissural fiber connect the area of both halves of cerebellar cortex. And projection fiber are afferent and efferent nerve fiber which connect cerebellum with other part of central nervous system, which are arranged in three bundles: inferior, middle and superior peduncle নামে পরিচিত. This is the figure. Then functional unit of cerebellar cortex বলতে আমরা তাহলে কাকে বুঝতেছি? Purkinje cells and deep nuclear cells. Cerebellum about 30 million identical functional unit আছে. The output from functional unit is from a deep nuclear cell. This cells is continually under the excitatory and inhibitory influences. Excitatory influences arises from direct connection with afferent fiber that enter cerebellum from brain or periphery. Inhibitory influence arises entirely from Purkinje cell. Okay. Acha. The afferent input of cerebellum are mainly two types. One is climbing fiber, another is Moshi type fiber. In this figure is taken from Guyton. In left side, functional unit Purkinje cells and deep nuclear cells. An excitatory neuron shows in red marking and Purkinje cell by inhibitory neuron shows in black marking. And top and right portion, three major layers, deep nuclei and their physical relationship. This is the figure. Neural activity কি হবে? Cerebellum functions are executed mainly by the impulses discharged from cerebellar nuclei. However, cerebellar cortex control the discharge from nuclei constantly via the fibers of Purkinje cells. Okay? It is done in accordance with the signal received by cerebellar cortex from different part of brain and body via climbing and Moshi fiber. প্রসেসটা তাহলে কি? প্রসেসটা হচ্ছে প্রথমে কি হবে? ক্লাইম্বিং ফাইবার এক্সাইট দ্য Purkinje cell directly and cerebellar nuclei via collaterals by releasing aspartate. Excitatory effect of climbing fiber on Purkinje cell is very strong because each climbing fibers ends on a single Purkinje cells. Then Moshi fiber excite the Purkinje cell indirectly. In the glomerulus, Moshi fiber release the glutamate and excite the granule cells and Golgi cells. Collateral of Moshi fibers activate the cerebellar nuclei also by glutamate. Then granule cells, which is activated by Moshi fiber, in turn excite the Purkinje cells, stellate cell, basket cell through the parallel fiber. Neurotransmitter utilized by the granule cells is glutamate or aspartate. Granule cells are the only excitatory cells in the cerebellar cortex, which all other cells are inhibitory in functions, while all other cells are inhibitory in functions. Each Moshi fiber innervate many Purkinje cells indirectly via granule cell. So the excitatory effect of Moshi fiber on Purkinje cells is weak. Okay, then stellate cell and basket cell, which are activated by granule cells, inhibit the Purkinje cells by releasing gamma aminobutyric acid. This type of inhibition is called feed forward inhibition. Then Golgi cell that is activated by Moshi fiber in turn provide feedback inhibition to granule cell by releasing gamma aminobutyric acid, which inhibit the transmission of impulse from Moshi fibers to granule cells. Cerebellar nuclei are excited by collateral from climbing and Moshi fibers, which in turn the nucleus sends excitatory impulse to the thalamus and different nuclei of brainstem. However, signal discharge from Purkinje cells inhibit the cerebellar nuclei via gamma aminobutyric acid. Purkinje cells inhibit the activities of vestibular nuclei also. So, it is clear that cerebellar cortex plays an important role in modulating the excitatory signal in the following pathway. First one, from cerebellar nuclei to cerebral cortex via thalamus, and secondly from final common motor pathway via brainstem and spinal cord. Because all of these activities of cerebellar cortex, movement of the body is well organized and coordinated. Okay, here we show that different fiber and cells কোথায় কাজ করবে, কি কাজ করবে, কি নিউরোট্রান্সমিটার রিলিজ করবে, এগুলো ছকে দেখানো। This is the figure which show that the কিভাবে আমাদের ভলান্টারি মুভমেন্টটা রেগুলেট করে সেরিবেলাম, এটা এক্সপ্লেন করব পরবর্তী লেকচারে। থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ইউর পেশেন্স হিয়ার।